Have you ever seen one of those videos on YouTube where it's like the top 5 Amazon finds, and it just goes through and it shows you a bunch of just random footage and it's got this weird narration like an old infomercial? This is what we call a cash cow faceless channel. A creator behind that has just compiled all of that footage, gone to Upwork or Fiverr, paid someone with a voiceover, edited it all together and put it on YouTube. They can upload 5 videos a week in this format, and then some of them rank really well in the algorithm, allowing them to produce revenue from the ads that YouTube provides. I recently talked to someone that's making over $1 million profit a year passively. He's not even involved every single 12 months using this formula. So where does the secret lie? It's all about picking the perfect niche. And when you're getting started, there's always riches in niches, meaning that you don't want to compete with everyone else. You want to use something like the free trial of Exploding Topics or Google Trends to find something really niche and really current so that you can create some videos for that. You can use a bunch of stock footage, use something like ChatGPT to help you with the script outline, use your iPhone to record the video, and start pumping out these videos on YouTube until you can start monetizing. My main tip with niches is you don't want to advertise to people like 12-year-olds that have no money. You want to focus on things like golf where they have lots of money, but you need to find niches within golf that you can create content for that ranks. In terms of cheapness to get started, this is a 10 out of 10. All you need to do is get a free video editing software. In terms of technical, probably a 7 out of 10. You're gonna need to learn how to edit videos. How easy it is to make $10,000 a month, probably a 7 out of 10. And $1 million, I think this is possible at scale with AI. It's probably a 6 out of 10. So they're the 4 top businesses to start making $10,000 a month. If you have any questions, leave a comment. I'm always rooting for you guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe.